Today's question is, do I need to hold the threads on my sewing machine before I start sewing? And the simple answer to that is no, not if you start sewing correctly. And by starting to sew correctly, you need to make sure that the take-up lever on your sewing machine is at the top of the machine when you start to stitch. So as we can see here, mine is at the top. So we're now going to place our material underneath our presser foot and lower the presser foot. The material is now underneath the presser foot, so therefore we are able to start to stitch without holding on to our threads. That's now given us a perfect line of stitches without us having to hold the threads. As we can see now, the needle is still inside our machine, so we need to raise the needle out of the machine to allow us to remove our fabric. To do that, we are going to turn the wheel at the side of the machine towards us, and that is going to raise the needle. Now we can see that the needle has been raised, however the take-up lever is still somewhere inside of the machine. It hasn't returned to the top. So that means that the stitch that it was performing hasn't been completed until the take-up lever is at the top of the machine. So we need to carry on winding the lever towards us, and now we can see the take-up lever is at the top of the machine, and that means the whole stitch has been completed. And this is where you can run into issues, because if you start sewing and the take-up lever is somewhere in the middle, then the first stitch it has to perform is to complete the previous stitch, and that is what can cause you issues with your thread when you start sewing. So always make sure the take-up lever is at the top and you will not go wrong. Lift up the presser foot, remove the material, and you can either cut it on the side of the machine or using some scissors, and there we have a perfect line of stitches without having to hold the thread, and we've got no tangles. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.